All right, guys. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24 Word Gossip 247, with your humble servant right here today. Like I told you, today is gonna be wow. I have different stuff I want to talk about, and I'm a little bit I don't know, but before I come to the studio, my hair very hot, and sana meba. So it's gonna be hot today. I believe strongly said all of you will enjoy the live streaming today. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, World Gossip Top Gossip 247. I have a couple of messages I want to send to His Excellency John Mahama, and I have a response to give to the fake Igbo leader. Okay, fake Igbo leader. I'm believing strongly that today I'll be able to deliver the mandate that have been given to me by the people in the diaspora and the people of the Republic of Ghana. Like I keep saying, we're doing this in respect to what we want to do for Mother Ghana. Ghana is the only country that we have. We don't have two countries. And we want to make sure that we protect the Republic of Ghana. We want to make sure that we do the needful. Happy to tell you the much awaited walk, the peaceful walk, the much awaited walk and the peaceful walk is under the preparation is far going, and most of the guys are working. Kudos to the ground workers. We need more people on ground. We need people to support. So if you are interested, please do let me know in my DM, and I'm gonna put you together to meet those guys that are working on this. If you can hear me loud and clear, it is very important. You also tell me you can hear me loud and clear on this platform, World Gossip, Third Gossip 24. But more than I said, Uber subscribe, now I share, now I comment on this platform. I'm going to look out for the Ghana National Anthem, and I'll play the Ghana National Anthem. And then after that, we'll talk about a couple of stuff at ECOSO. We'll talk about issues. I will raise certain legitimate issues, and I'll raise issues that are going on around certain areas, and I'll bring some MPs here. There are some MPs I need to bring them down here and give them a lash, a bit of a lash. You understand what I'm saying? So I'll bring some MPs here. It's very important that I deal with those MPs as well. We are doing this, and we don't want to do it with all fairness. We want to do it with all our energy. We're doing it because Ghana is the only country that we belong to. We are doing it because Ghana is the only place that we know. Okay, we don't know any other place. So we want to make sure that we do our best to project and go ahead and do exactly what we promised to do. So I'm going to look out for the Ghana National Anthem, and as soon as I play the Ghana National Anthem, we're going to jump into other areas at work. And wait for me as I prepare myself and so tight in the studio today. Share the live stream to a brother, to another brother. Let them know that Top Gossip 24 is here. World Gossip 247 is also here as well. We're streaming live on all the pages. It's very cool. And listen to the Ghana National Anthem. And help us to resist oppressors. right, guys, thank you so much for joining me here. I'm so glad to be part of this show. And I know you are also glad to come on this platform, Top Gossip 24 Words, Gossip 247. I'm streaming on both of my channels here. Remember, follow both of them because sometimes I might choose to do the live stream on one of them without the other. And sometimes I post videos that are not supposed to be on the other way around. I saw a video today and I was so sad. To be honest, I can show that video here. I can only send to you by WhatsApp. So if you want to see that video that I saw today, it happened in Nigeria, and I can't send that video. I can't show you that video here. It's something that is very funny. And when I see it, I ask if that country has lawyers, if that country have judges, if that country have a president, if that country have people that know what they are actually doing. And if you are interested in seeing that video, honestly, you can DM me on my phone number. I will send it to you. I sent it to a couple of people and they've seen that video. Charlie, mean to me, say, hey, Oba, any Bema on the street of Lagos, whatever it is, Charlie, I can't show it here, but it is. I mean, when I see it click, it sends something to my head that, oh, I understand why these guys are doing what they are doing and they don't care about what they are doing. I understand why they are doing what they are doing and they don't care about what they are doing. Thank you so much for being part of this show right now. This is your humble servant right here. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment below for more. We're going to do our best to make sure we give you the best of our platform. Today, I have a message and a response as well. A message, the first message go to His Excellency John Mahama. And that message alone has to do with what is going on with the Ghana, Nigeria, and the onion banter, whatever. And I have a video from our brother Cyrus, and then I have a video from one guy who has turned himself into whatever, a blogger or a Nigerian living in Ghana and doing all sort of things. I'll bring that video also here. I'm going to watch that video. After that, I have series of MPs that I have to bring them down here. There are series of MPs. There are series of MPs that I feel like they need to be addressed. And I'll bring those MPs on this platform, Top Gossip 24, World Gossip 247, and I'm going to address those MPs as well. But quickly, let's start doing what we have to do. I have a message for His Excellency John Mahama before I show the video that I want to show. So I want you guys to share the live stream to a couple of people that you know that they will know how to share that video to His Excellency John Mahama to listen to some of us, because we are the people that queued and voted for him, and so we are saying that this and this and this are the things we feel like he is doing wrong, and he need to make sure he correct those ones. Dear Mr. President, this is an open letter, but before the open letter, let me just go ahead and read something that is appearing here. This is a strong message to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and a respond to the fake East London fake acclaimed Igbo King. This video is to discuss the growing concerns surrounding the alleged fake East London Igbo King and the reactions from the public. A strong message has been directed to John Dramani Mahama, calling for attention and action on the issues as tension continues to rise. We're going to break down this video into details and put a reaction. And then we're going to also do what we have to do and push the messages to the leadership, to the republic and the public trust. And then we're going to hold a couple of people accountable, or we're going to make sure that they will be held for proper accountability. Many people are asking serious questions and demanding clarity as the controversy to spread across the social media. Watch the full video and understand the situation, and then the message being sent. The keywords is John Mahama, East London fake Igbo King, and African news. So you're going to hear more from me on this platform, Top Gossip 24. Whatever I'm reading is what is rolling out there. And sometimes I try to put my glasses on so I'll see it well, and then I'll read it out to everybody out there. Remember, you will share the live stream to everybody to watch me, Top Gossip 24, and then you can comment below. Now, the message I have to Excellency John Dramani Mahama is this. Dear Mr. John Mahama, this is a message coming from Top Gossip 24, a humble servant of the Republic of Ghana, a Ghanaian, somebody who knows how the NDC was formed, somebody who have been there for the NDC for a couple of years, somebody who have been there for the MPP as well, somebody who is a free-minded person right now and never want to follow any of the political parties in Ghana, but want to be free so he can share his mind and thought. I'm here today trying to deliver this message to you, Mr. President, from the people that I represent in the diaspora, and a group of people that I call Concerned Youth Alliance and APES as well, and another group that has represented themselves and coming up as Dangme United Force. They are also coming up. I'm representing these people and want to present this message to you guys. We want to present this message to His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Dear Mr. Mahama, the message is clear. Ghanaians are getting frustrated. The market women said I should tell you that they don't know what is going on. The people selling in Abusu Okanda are saying that their jobs are not being taken from them. The people selling in Circle are saying that the shops are being taken from them. The people that are even selling by the roadside are saying that their jobs are being taken from them. Security-wise, people are scared on the street. And so they want me to deliver this to you, Mr. President, that the mandate for which we voted for you, we are not seeing those things. And so they want me to remember you, Mr. President, that you have to do your best to ensure that you have to come back to track and do what you have to do and stop following all this AU, African Union, blah, 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 and all that. I'm going to share to you guys a couple of videos that is trending right now and coming to you from Ashaman and heading down there, and I'll deal with the MP of Ashaman, deal with the MP of Ponkatamanso constituency. I will share those videos as well, because like I said, there are some MPs that we need to deal with, honestly, and I'm going to do this without fear or favor. The reason is simple. If we don't do that, these people will think that we just have to come and vote for them. They go to parliament and go and do yeah, period. That's it. So, Mr. Mahama, the message is clear. And to be honest with you, I'm not happy with respect to the way things are going, Mr. Mahama. I'm not so excited about the way the way you are going about things right now is not the best, and the people that I represent want me to tell you in the face without fear or favor that you have to take your time and reflect and where you are going wrong and correct those ones. Otherwise, you're going to put the NDC into a total shame in the year 2028 when we have to go back to the polls and vote. You understand what I'm saying? So basically, that is a message that is being sent from my people to you. There's another message that will come in, Mr. President. Those messages will come in as and when I play the videos that I want to play from couple of people. The question also I want to ask is that, Mr. Mahama, we know that when you were in opposition, you claim you are a farmer, you were doing farming and stuff like that. Recent time, we've seen what is going on where Burkina Faso stop us from coming to buy tomatoes. It's as if Ghana don't have a land to even plow, to have farms land, and to even have onion and stuff like that. Mr. President, I'm asking, do we have land? Can we also plant our own stuff? Why is it that we are not doing that? And why is it that we are crossing the border to go and buy onion and crossing the border to go and buy tomatoes? That is the question that I'm asking. I posted a video a while ago where Ghanaians have been stopped somewhere in Nigeria, in Seme. The last time we have one Reverend Ankra coming in, he explained to us how Seme and all those things come in. And now when I heard that people have been stopped, 52 Ghanaians have been stopped in Seme, I asked myself questions about the onion stuff. And I asked myself, did we purchase the onion from Nigeria or we purchased the onion from Niger? Now, according to the information I received, the onion was purchased from even Niger, and our drivers are passing through Nigeria. And these guys call themselves armed robbers, whatever. Now somebody coming in to claim that it was done purposefully. And I'm going to play that video from that fake guy by name Destiny or more. I'm going to play that video because I want you guys to listen to him. It means that they are doing it because we did it to them. Now, I told you guys about a month or two ago, right? When the arrest allows some be leaked out. I told you guys that those oils and those fried oil, whatever it is that was leaked out of port at that point in time, some of those people that are behind Nigeria for count on yes our business now, chichi tracks now or load and oil and then those guys out of it, Nigerians, until they feel like say ya monti Ghana for Befa and Niger, akoto tomatoes, onion tea, and your moon so omechiomo. Now omodi counter attack on that. Now I ask myself, why should we go there to even go and buy onions from Niger? That's the question. Why should he travel all the way to Niger? We don't have enough onion. Is it that Ghana is lacking the farmland to plant onion? Is it that we don't have what it takes to plant onion? Is it that we don't have the Minister of Agriculture? Is it that we don't have what it takes to plant more onions? And that is why we are traveling all the way across the border from Nigeria to Niger to go and buy onion. That is a question, Mr. President. So, Mr. President, the strong message I'm giving to you today from my people to you is that there are so many things going on in Ghana and this border is not secured properly. But yet you want to open our borders. I don't understand why you want to open the borders, Mr. President. From the people that I represent, they said I should tell you that if you think, if you are listening government, like you say, if you guys think that you are listening government, the people that voted for you, killed and voted for you, said I should tell you, stop that idea, abort that mission, because you can see exactly what is going on. People enter into our borders, we don't do them focal. When we enter, this is what we arrest some trucks that were coming from Nigeria, come and do. They are doing 419 business in Ghana. We arrest them. We arrest them because we want to make sure they pass through the process. And when we pass through the process to go and buy onion, they have the guts to arrest our people. And then, Mr. President, when you wake up, you're going to say that, as far as I'm concerned, as far as I'm still the president of the Republic of Ghana, Ghana and Nigeria are going to be one. Mr. President, I think at this point in time, excuse my language, there's something going on that you don't know. Mr. President, I think that at this point in time, like people keep saying, it looks like you have been hijacked. Not even in the realms of the spirit, but in the realms of the physical, you have been hijacked and you don't know exactly what is going on. It's like somebody is telling you something that you don't really know, Mr. President. Look, this issue that we're talking about here, it has traveled beyond the friendly whatever you think you have in Nigeria, Mr. President. We have to call a spade and tight our borders. And I'm going to use this opportunity to say that anybody that is going out there in Nigeria to trade, you have to think of another way to go trade. Find a way to trade. Because, you see, they are going to start, the feeler I'm getting is what I'm going to tell you. They are planning to do a lot of things going forward. When they hear that the Concerned Youth Alliance and a couple of people, Ghanaians, are putting things together to demonstrate, these are the things they want to do. And like I told you, these are the strategies they are putting on the way. And so when you want to do this, somebody will say that, oh, you see that when you see that people want to demonstrate, no, they arrest on Ghanaians in Onion people, they stop them. These are the things they have started already. And some of us, our ghost team are working on it 24/7 to give us the filler. So if you think that we don't know, those that are planning all this, we know your plans. You are not going to stop Ghanaians from doing what they want to do. You will not stop us from going ahead to do this. So, Mr. President, if you don't know, we are telling you that we are hearing this. This is a strategy. These are their plans. They want to stop things coming on their way. They think that they can have, they have it. Okay, now I have another video that I have to show to you guys, and I'll take my time to show you a couple of videos. It is very, very important that I show you all those videos that I want to show you, as well as I want to show you things that is happening out there. So we have arrested them, so they want to arrest our people. They did the wrong thing. Oh. They came into Ghana doing 419. Oh. They came with their trucks to come and do 419. We arrest them and we were demanding them to do the right thing. What did they do? They went back there to go and form vigilantism or whatever they call it to arrest our people, Onion, just to pass through their border. And then we have Mr. President saying that he's going to open our borders when we have people arresting our own people at the borders. Mr. President, His Excellency John Mahama, you see, the African champion you want to be, the Kwame Nkrumah look alike you are trying to present to the world. I'm telling you that you have to abort that mission. This mission, you have to abort it. And this is what people are telling me to tell you on this page. I have a bunch of people telling me that, and I'm representing them, and I'm telling you that you have to abort that mission, Mr. President. Time to abort that mission. Time to abort that mission, Mr. President. Abort the mission of opening the borders, because your counterparts are doing the wrong things. Your counterpart, instead of them doing the right things, they are doing the wrong things, Mr. President. So abort the mission of opening the borders. Abort the mission. This is the time of even securing the borders more. If people call themselves robbers can stop 52 Ghanaians with their trucks passing through a place. Oh, Mr. President, this is the second time this is happening. It happened in Burkina. And Burkina banned Ghana from coming for tomatoes. Now you guys went through the back door through diplomatism or whatever to open it again. And guys, people are going there to buy. Mr. Mahama, you see what is going on? If it is bigger than you, come out and let's discuss all this thing holistically as a country. Because you are trying to are not ready to open their borders to you. You want to open the border to people who don't want to open their border to you. So where are we going? Where are we heading to? Where actually are we going? Where are we heading to at this point in time? You want to open your borders, but people will not open their borders to you. We arrest their people for doing 419 in our country, for illegal trade, for buying things and passing through Lungu way in the port. Because we arrested them, now they are forming vigilantism to arrest our people at the border in Seme or in the village in Seme. And then when you sit, you want to tell Ghanaians you are the president of the Republic of Ghana, you want to make Ghana and Nigeria one. Mr. President, Ghana and Nigeria can never be one. No. The thing is, we are totally different. Ghanaians have their own way of doing things, and Nigerians have their own way of doing things. Like I told you guys, when I was coming to the studio, a friend sent a video to me. And if I show you that video, you ask if Nigeria is a country or is a zoo. I swear. If you want to see that video, I can only send to you because it's just like a blue film. It's just like a blue film, guys. I don't know how I can put that video here. I wish. But if I put that video here, I know I will be blocked. I know I will be blocked. So, but if you want that video, please DM me. I will send it to you. I will send it to you. See what you can do to. I don't want to see play it and say I'm blocking some part of it, and I don't want to. But if you want to watch it, it's just like I don't know any country that such a thing can happen. I'm telling you, I don't know which country such a thing will happen. A man and a woman, broad daylight, doing their own thing. When cars are just horny and trying to throw them off on the road, they are still doing it without even, they don't care. Do you think that a country with a president, a country with people with sense will do that? I'm telling you, I wish I can show you. I wish. I don't know. Maybe I can play the video. Okay? I can play it. I can play the sound. I don't know. I wish the sound will not cause any trouble. But you know, it is funny. Let me see. I will just play the sound quickly. So you guys, I wish I will show. I wish I will send that video. How I wish that I will be able to show you that video. I don't know, but I'm thinking of what to do. Wait, the video is here. Let me play a little bit of that video. I don't know how I can show you guys this video, but I think, okay, now let me take a screenshot of that video, right? I'll take a screenshot of the video. I will not show the video itself, but I'll take a screenshot of the video and show you what is going on. Blood day life in the afternoon, a country. I will show you guys. This is the reason why we don't want to bring such people into Ghana. This is the reason, because when you bring them, the things they will do, don't worry, I will show you the video. I don't know if the voice will not make anything crazy. Guys, at the roadside. By the roadside. You see, it's not like the two of them are mad. Oh. They are talking. They are having the proper conversation. It's funny. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. People are just making pee, and this man and this woman. Look at that. Look at that. I don't know. See, unbelievable. In Nigeria, this is happening live. And look at the guy. He was, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Now, these are the people our president is opening the doors for to enter into our country. I wish I will show you the video. I wish. But if you really, really want to see the video, folks, please, I will send the video to you because I don't mind sending the video. You see, I don't know where you can post this video. Perhaps you can, I don't know where you can post the video, but if you can post it on TikTok as well. It's explicit. It's crazy. And I don't know. So what I'm saying here is this. These people, they don't know what is law. They don't know what is rule of law. So when they enter into the country where there are proper rule of law, it becomes a problem. When they enter into a place where there are proper rule of law, it becomes a problem. They can't control themselves because rule of law. You understand what I'm saying? Now, let me go play this video from our brother Cyrus. Let me play this video from my brother Cyrus. And I want you guys to listen to Cyrus very carefully. Cyrus made a lot of revelations, I'm telling you. And I want you guys to listen to it carefully. And that is not a full video. This is a short video from our brother Cyrus. I believe most of you can go watch the full video on his platform. But the kind of revelation Cyrus, Charlie,
Ladies and gentlemen, the government of Ghana has a decision to make on how our food security should be handled. What is happening now is an embarrassment and a sign of worse things to come. Take it from me. First, it was Ghanaian tomato traders being killed in Burkina Faso on their way to import tomatoes. Then the Burkina government banned tomato exports to Ghana. We managed reversal, and now Nigerian onion traders are holding Ghanaian onion trucks from moving out of Nigeria. Apparently, ladies and gentlemen, Nigerian trucks carrying in Ghana were seized for non-compliance reasons a couple of weeks ago, and therefore this was a retaliatory response on the part of our Nigerian counterparts. You block my goods, I block yours. That sort of thing. You do me, I do you. Just this morning, too, we are told of armed men storming the Ajane Kotoku onion market in Accra to take over the market, ladies and gentlemen. It is really embarrassing how the central government of Ghana is just watching on as pockets of problems arises on our food in the country, the food supply. There has to be some level of government control and intervention, whether administratively or through production, ladies and gentlemen. The supply chain in this industry needs a government involvement as soon as possible. Ladies and gentlemen, the opportunities are begging for our government to make a move simply because of at least the 3 incidents I just described. There is a lot of opportunities begging on our government. But before I get into the opportunities, our government, first of all, needs to resolve this scuffle with Nigerian Traders Union as quickly as possible. This shouldn't, folks, the goods are said to be onions, which are highly perishable, which should be resolved immediately so we can have the onions coming in. We are a very, very vulnerable people because we depend heavily on imports for most of the foods we eat. That makes us very vulnerable, ladies and gentlemen. And every time I have to watch, and sometimes the number of tomatoes and onion trucks making their ways into the city, it feels something is terribly wrong somewhere inside this country. The vast majority of the foods we consume are imported. If there should be another global problem and cannot move, if there should be a lockdown and exports are shut down, ladies and gentlemen, and ports are closed, if there should be a war and the Atlantic Ocean is inaccessible, this country, Ghana, our economy, will be completely wiped out in the shortest possible time. The last time that happened, ladies and gentlemen, in 2020 and 21, Ghana's local currency against the US dollars went from somewhere 5 Ghana cedis to $1 to 14 Ghana cedis by the time the lockdown was over, all because we didn't have enough domestic supply of anything. About 80% of our refined petroleum products are imported. Our onion, our pepper, our tomatoes are all imported, ladies and gentlemen. Canned tomatoes and tin fish are all imported. If our neighbor countries decide to deny Ghanaian food trucks of entry, ladies and gentlemen, if they decide to block us from entry, we are in. Ladies and gentlemen, the president cannot continue like this. He says he is a farmer. I believe him. He talked about farming while in opposition a lot, which I believe is the right way to go. He actually has a whole manifesto talking about a farm program for Ghana while in opposition. He needs to embrace this responsibility to stabilize this country through domestic production, especially in agriculture. Our food security cannot be in the hands of other countries. Niger, Nigeria, Mali, and the rest are not even in a peaceful state of mind to be dependent on in the first place. These countries don't have that peace of mind, first of all, for us to depend on them. It is unwise, therefore, to be dependent on countries heavily under terrorist attacks for your food supply. Let us not waste any more time, ladies and gentlemen. Let us not wait for another casualty and then we go looking for another supplier. We need to do something going on, something that has the state involved and has targets to meet.
All right, guys. So this is short one from our brother Cyrus, right? Problem here is, instead of Mr. President consider working solve these major problems in our agriculture sector, he's rather actually doing opening borders and opening gates and opening stuff for other people to enter. And that is where some of us have the problem. You understand what I'm saying here? We have a problem because I see that instead of him doing what he need to do, he's not doing what he need to do. He's doing something else, to be honest. And he's rather allowing people to come and enter into our country to come and rather suffocate us, to be honest. And there's something I want to touch on in the next 5 minutes to come, and all going straight to His Excellency John Mahama. Now, the point here is we have to spend more time to solve the problems we have than to open foreigners to enter into the country Ghana. You're not solving the agriculture problem. We're not solving the tomato problem. We're not solving the onion problem. And like our brother Cyrus is saying, we are rather depending on countries that they have problem with terrorists. Countries that tomorrow, if something happens, they will not be able to stand on their feet. These are the countries we are spending our time and our energy going there to go and buy things. Going there and go and import things. Instead of us to sit down and come up with a plan to get our own stuff, we are rather investing into things that are not even going to yield food on our table. That is basically what it is. I'm sorry to say that, Mr. President, when it comes to security and agriculture, you are failing woefully. You are failing woefully, and you have to be told, we have to tell you in the face. You see, if you can't tell him in the face and you hide and start telling him, you are not telling him what you have to tell him in the face that, Mr. President, you are failing when it comes to security. You are failing when it comes to agriculture. We are over depending on countries that we are not supposed to depend on. And we've left everything ajar. Everything is going wayward and we are happy about it. We are just happy because we are having a lot of people coming from all the walks of life coming in Ghana. And people that are not supposed to sell on the street of Accra. Now the street is full of people who are coming from elsewhere because we are not able to provide food security for ourselves as a country, Mr. President. These are the things you have to tackle and forget about the bigger dream that you have in your head, trying to open the borders to every African country, Mr. President. Whoever is coming to you with this idea of opening things and going and signing trade, whatever, foreign, whatever, with Okujeto Ablakwa signing here and there without looking at the security aspect, or without looking at how many police officers we have against how many citizens we have, then at the end of the day we'll be in problem. Because if you open, let's say we have 35 million Ghanaians, with our police officers are not even up to 50,000 or 5,000 or 500,000. If you divide it, at the end of the day, we're going to be in trouble. So if you open and we have so many people entering into Ghana without having proper security system and the policing system to take care of this, how are we going to cope and manage this, Mr. President? We need you to rather focus on some of these things and leave this idea of opening the border. Because if you open the border, I am telling you, our police officers will be overwhelmed. Our immigration officers will be overwhelmed. Customs will be overwhelmed. And we will not be able to do anything. Because at the end of the day, we'll struggle to do the little things we want to do. Mr. President, it is very important that we have to say this. It is clear we have to. If we don't say it, at the end of the day, we don't know what we are going to say. We have to say it the way it's here. Now, I have one person saying that whatever I saw that I want to share, it is part of the rituals. That could be true. I think it's no correct, because I see the guy. I think the guy is having something to do with that mad woman on the street. And if not because of rituals, or it's not because these guys have been asked to do this in the broad daylight to be able to make money, I don't think he'll be able to do that in broad daylight where cars are passing by and people are calling and people are making ping, and he's still doing the same thing. These are the people who want to open the border for. Come into Ghana instead of come and do rituals and stuff like that, to be honest. Now, I will address this Igbo guy in East London. Now, we thought that the South Africans have finished the demonstration. Guys, folks, it's yesterday, my Ghost team, I posted that video a while ago. Yesterday, and if you've not watched it, I entreat you to go and watch. The South Africans are still demonstrating. Yesterday, they went on another match, a hot one for that matter. And they clashed with the police. They clashed with the police officers on the street yesterday. They've not stopped. And that is why I'm saying that we have to do our best to join hands together to do this match. It's a peaceful match. We have to do it. Don't ask too much, because we are doing it to save Mother Ghana. I've not heard anywhere that the South Africans are asking for money before they will go and do something. But we know that if for people to go and do one or two things, they need to have transportation. Yes. So that is basically, but let's all come together and help to do this. Stop over demanding on unnecessary stuff that you are not supposed to demand, because that is not going to help. If you also want to support, we are calling everybody to come together, because the South Africans are still doing it. They are still protesting on the street, because these people we are dealing with, they are lawless. They don't believe in the rule of law. In their own country, people are walking on the street, having their own pakpakpa on the street. They don't care whether there's a car passing by, and you can see this gentleman, everything is outside, and he's just doing it because he doesn't even care about what he's doing. To be honest, when I saw it, I asked myself, is Nigeria a country or is a zoo? Because it's only in the zoo you can see an elephant with his things outside. It's only in the zoo you can see animals with their things. But you see human being doing this thing on the broad daylight, and the woman was pulling this guy together. It's as if they planned it before they want to come and do it on the street. And everybody, people were watching. Somebody came trying to even beat them up to stop. No, they don't want to stop. They are doing it. These are the people our president want to open the door for. And they are closing their doors. Okay? When we are opening our doors, they are very, very fast in closing theirs. When we stop them because they were doing fictitious stuff in Ghana with their trucks, and we stop them, now they go ahead and stop ours because we are doing the legitimate stuff. They stop us. It's sad. Honestly. It's very sad. We have to wake up as a country. We are sleeping Our leaders are in fifth gear. When the citizens are sleeping, some of our leaders they are in the fifth gear. They have already slept and they are in the fifth gear. As a country, it is very, very sad. Honestly, when I see things like this, Charlie, sometimes my head, it me pie me because I feel like why all these things are going on? I didn't Ghana. Why? What kind of decisions are our leaders making every day? Anyway, there's one video also I want to show you guys, and I have some videos coming to me right now, and I want to address that as well. Today, I said is on some of the people that we are supposed to deal with. I've told you guys there are some MPs. There are some MPs. You don't worry, I have a long way to go today. So let me deal with the John Mahama and his people, and then after that, I'll bring these things and come and talk about it. It's very, very important. I have some videos coming in already from Ashama, and I want to show you guys how the whole place look like if there's an MP there. If you are watching me and you also have something going on in your village and you think that your MP is not doing anything about it, please make sure you DM me quickly. I will deal with it. We will deal with it. Let me go take those videos. They are not long videos though, but let me show you these videos. They are not that long, but I think that will help the purpose. Oh my God, look at that. Don't worry. We're going to deal with that, guys. We're going to deal with that. It's very, very important. If we don't deal with that, there's nothing we want to deal with again. I'll play one video also from one of our brothers. I know you guys know him very well. There was Nana Jana. The name, I think it's Nana Jana or so, whatever. He also said something about these Nigerians in Ghana and all this trouble that is going on. I saw a video about him. I'll play that video. I want you guys to listen to him also, okay? And tell me if you feel that what he's saying makes sense or not. This is very important. Please remember to share the live stream, guys. Share the live streaming. We've been here for 43 minutes. We've been here for 43 minutes. Today, I'm going to open the phone lines. I'll open the phone lines as well. So please remember, I'll open the phone lines. If you want to join us, you are welcome to join. I'll open the phone lines as well. So if you want to join us, remember to join us as well. Now, quickly, let me deal with this because we are dealing with John Mahama and his administration, right? And with some of the MPs. There are things they have to do. They are rather not doing that, and they are out there. They are thinking of opening the border. Sorry, guys. Guys, it's not easy. Sorry. Now, there are things they have to do. They are not doing that. They are rather opening the borders to people. Now, let me bring this guy. Let me bring this guy quick. Okay. There's this guy I want to talk about. I'll bring him here now. How many people know this guy? If you're in Ghana and you know this guy, tell me. I'm bringing his picture here. How many people know this guy? How many people know this guy? This is the MP for Kpong Katamanso constituency. And his name is Honorable Joseph Akwete Tete. Honorable Joseph Akwete. Okay. Now, these guys have been in parliament for almost 8 years old. Now, I'm going to show you something that will blow your mind. These are the things. I keep saying that John Dramani and his team, there are things you guys have to do. Instead of you guys doing what you have to do, you are not doing it, and you are rather going about signing things, trying to open the border. You opening border. And show, if you know this guy is the MP for Kpong Katamanso constituency. These guys have been in parliament for close to 8 years. If I'm not lying, I stand to be corrected. I've never seen him in parliament saying anything, one single word. He's always there doing yeah. Now, honorable, listen to me. I know you know me, but I don't care about it. I'm telling you today that if you don't solve the problem within the Kpong Katamanso constituency, you will lose a seat in 2028. I'm telling you on authority. Listen to me carefully. If you don't solve the problem and the road issue in Kpong Katamanso constituency, you are going to lose that seat because I see that you are doing totally nothing. I'm telling you without fear or favor. Matisse unsemsu ding. I hear say they give. They give draw. They give anything. I'm telling you on your face. And if I see you today, I will do the same thing. You've been in parliament for close to 8 years. You've not even spoken in parliament before. Mr. Speaker, hardly before you hear him say Mr. Speaker. He's always sitting, not saying one word, sitting there, not even mentioning, and not even saying anything about his constituency. Now, I'll show you a video of his constituency, and you see what is going on. It's sad. The whole road, the whole place. And honorable, for close to a year now, the potable water system, pipe, that's supposed to flow from Ashama all the way to Zenu, Kubekro number 1, number 2, down. That water is not coming. What are you doing about it, honorable? What actually are you doing about it? I'm asking you questions. So what are you doing? If somebody is listening to me, please share it and let this man know that I'm saying that if your MP is not doing what he's supposed to do, please send the name of that MP. Honorable Joseph, the question is that how much work have you done so far? So, Honorable of Katamanso, how much work have you done so far on the road from Ashama to your village? The road from Ashama to your village, Honorable. Go and look at the road. You only just go and sit in parliament and say, yeah. I'm coming also to talk about Sam George. Wait for me. There are things, and Sam George, honestly, Sam George, I like you, but you are becoming too much on social media. I'll come on Sam George very soon. You, Mr. What is the name? Joseph. The road is absolutely very, very bad. And you are doing nothing. There's no pipe. No pipe. No water. People have to buy water for 100 cedis, 200 cedis to do their daily chores. And you see, the problem with you is this. You have water flowing from your village, Apollonia, that you can link that water down to the other people all the way in number 1, number 2 going to Katamanso. You are not doing it. I use this opportunity to call on the former MP, Nilaya Futiagbo. I believe strongly you know the situation. Please and please again, talk to this guy. Otherwise, I'm going to make sure he lose the seat in 2028. I'm going to make sure he will lose the seat. For once, NDC will lose that seat. Listen to me carefully. Those that think that some of us, we've not been NDC before, we know what you are talking about. That seat have been an NDC seat for decades. The road have been there like that for decades. It was like Nilaya Futiagbo's time, they did the road and they put the light and they put water. That water, nobody knows what the problem is. Nobody is telling the people what the issue is. And you are not even visiting the village folks to tell them what you are doing to solve their problem. All you know how to do, dress yourself early in the morning and go to parliament and go and do honorable. You see, if you keep calling yourself honorable like that, at the end of the day, I'm telling you, I don't care whether you are related to me. I don't care whether you are related to my family. I'm going to tell you what I have to tell you. Straightway. I'm going to tell you. Somebody say Honorable Sam George is in bed with the Nigerians. I'm coming there. Sam George. Let me am I a gummy 1 or 2? Honorable. Ke osumo ba ashu ohi ashin ona. Honorable ke osumo ni oba ashu ohi ashin. Min kebo. Ke jemene kata beni afie na ba mu. What a issue when you on a can solve more. road issue and you can solve more. Can 2027 to 2028 was so beye she. I'm telling you. Wasu ebeden ebeye she ankasa. I want to tell you that there are people in the constituency who have what it takes to manage the constituency. I want to also tell you that there are intelligent people in that same constituency who are capable of doing more than what you are doing. It is only a privilege that you have to an MP. I'm telling you. So please, don't go far with that. The next time I will have somebody showing me videos of what is going on, I will bring a lot of things. Now let me go see the video that I have about that. Today I want to deal with the NDC proper before I will go to these Nigerians again. I want to deal with them honestly. Where is the video? I will deal with them because look, we can't continue like this. We can't continue like this, honestly. So you see, that is the area of this honorable. This is Ashama. Honestly, the road is very bad. From Ashaman all the way to number 1, number 2 to this man's village. His village, oh. I'm talking about his village, honestly, not somebody's village. His village, Apollonia, that road is bad. The road is super bad. You see, this is part of Ashama. This road is like they are working on it, but they have that place crown. Dust any footro. Dust any footro and a road. Now, instead of you guys to focus and deal with these things, you are rather going about opening borders for people. Honorable. Instead of you to deal with this. Instead of you to deal with this issue in Ashama. Instead of you to deal with all these problems in Ashama. You are not dealing with it, honorable. And you are rather sitting in parliament and saying, yeah. It's your government that is in power. Your government is in power. So, honorable, I don't want to say much about this. I'm saying that from now until the end of the year, if I happen to send somebody again to go and check what is going on, give me video of exactly what is going on, honorable, you will not like it. I'm saying it. I don't care whether you are related to me, you are related to a brother of mine, or you are related to a family. I'm doing my work the way you are also doing. So make sure you go to the Kong Katamansu constituency, especially from Ashaman to your village where the road is totally terrible, honorable. When I see the road and look at the road, I don't want to call you honorable. I'm sorry to say that. Very, very terrible. Let's call a spade and be free. Now, let me also show you something about Sam George. Hold on. So I'm coming to Sam George. Let me show you something about Sam George too. It's not about staying on social media and talking Sam George. That is not what we are talking about though. Sam George. You have to go to the ground problems for your people. Yeah. I'll show you something else about. Hold on. Sit tight. I'm coming. I'll show you something about Sam George. It's very, very important. Guys, don't leave yet. Oh. I have something piled out there for the fake Igbo leader in what do you call Cape Town. I have another video piled up about what one guy. I know that guy on social media. It's an NDC group. Why your video be about that? I will show you that guys that video also. I have a lot of video. I have one video also here where one guy is explaining one or two things about these Igbos. So stay with me and share. Stay with me. It's very important to stay. Now, where's the video about Sam George? I'll show you the video about Sam George. It's very important that we bring Sam George also here and deal with it. Sam George, if somebody is watching and you are related to Sam George, this is part of Sam George's constituency. And the last time this gentleman showed us a video of a school, if you see that school, you vomit. Honorable Sam George, whilst you guys are going around boasting and making drama over whatever is going on in Ghana and trying to open the borders that you are not supposed to open, there is a school building in your constituency that is at the verge of collapsing, yet students are always going to school inside. Honorable, see, you have to do something about it. It's not about talking. If I were you, we will solve the problems in Ghana before trying to allow people to come and impart or come and enter. We've not solved all our problems, yet we are allowing people to come in with their kids, to come and be in the same classroom that our kids are in that is already full. Now, let's listen to this guy. Today, I'm on the NDC.
Of the Republic of Ghana, teachers, this is where the teachers have been coming to toilet or they have come to ease themselves. So how comfortable would the teachers be to teach our children if this is where teachers, this 21st century, 1965 toilet, 1965 toilet, and this modern world, our teachers are still using, and you think the teachers will teach their children to their best according to the comfortability that they are having over here? You think the teachers will be able to teach the children very well? This is the toilets of a whole teacher. Who made you a president? Who made you a minister? Who made you an MP? Who made you assemblyman? Who made you whoever you are? And every single position you are occupying today, the doctors and whatever, all of you passed through the teachers before you became who you are. But look at where those people.
Sam George, this is the part 3 of that video. The part 1 and the other part 2 are talking about the school building. The school building. Mr. President, you have one of your ministers. Even Sam George is very active in parliament. We all know him in parliament. We know he talks in parliament. We know he contributes in parliament. It's not like the other person that I took out a while ago, who have been in parliament for a number of years without hearing anything from him. So Sam George is active a little bit. We all know. But as a minister of state in charge of communication, Honorable Sam Jata George, this toilet that this guy is showing, it's not good though. Please, you have to do something better that they can flash it. There are so many ones that are there that you can do. We see, this one is shito. This one is shito. We don't need this, Honorable. You guys have to up your game and do something better for your people. We are getting sick and tired of you guys coming to social media to come and tell us a whole bunch of stuff. And then when somebody go to your constituency, they will go and see a total mess. Something that is a mess. Please, we don't want these things. If I ever get a video of any of you in your constituency again, trust me, I'm going to do what I have to do to bring it down here. So, Honorable, this is in your constituency. We don't want Sheto. If you guys want to allow foreigners to enter into Ghana and we have Sheto, then we don't know where we are going. Let's solve the problem of Sheto before we allow people to enter. Now, if you allow all those people to enter and all of them have to go inside this Sheto, how many of them can go inside the Sheto at a time? Honorable, how many people do you subscribe that will go into this Sheto without coming out with sicknesses and infections? What are we doing to ourselves as a country? We need to wake up. Mr. President, wake up. Sleeping, wake up. Because at the end of the day, we need to do what we have to do. For me, I stand against opening the border. I stand against the dual citizenship. And I stand against anything that will compromise Ghana. We have to make sure we build Ghana. Our agriculture system will stand firm. We need somebody that will do things the way it's supposed to do it. We don't want to go and be buying tomatoes from somewhere and they'll block us and all that. We have to grow our own thing. And people that are having backyard, please try to grow your own tomatoes at your backyard. Ghana for bebree akwadro too much. Bebree akwadro too much. And let me call a spade a spade. It is call a spade than to call a spade another thing. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. Most people are too lazy to to the sense to say, instead of them to do a small garden to have their own tomato and their own pepper, they will not do it. And then we'll go and buy things from somewhere else. So Sam George, please, this is in your constituency. This is the part 3 of the video. The part 1 and the part 2 talks about a school building that is at the verge of collapsing, Mr. Minister. Don't come to social eyes with people. Go and solve the mess in your constituency. It's like Honorable Joseph Akwete. Go and solve the mess. Go and solve the mess. But send somebody to send me videos and I will bring you back here. Go and solve your mess. Oh, yo, I don't care. I don't really care whether you are related to my sister or something. Do your job. I'm doing my job here. So you also need to do your job before I bring you up here. And that is why I'm calling on Honorable Nilaya Fotago. Please call the MP for Ponkatamansu constituency. Call him and talk to him. If he refuses to do what he needs to do, he's going to lose 20, even the promise. I'm going to do everything I can for him to lose the promise. He will lose the promise because he's not capable. He is not capable. That's what I'm saying. He is not capable. I don't know how come he become the member of parliament of that constituency even. I don't know. I really don't understand how that happened. Honestly speaking, I don't know, because when he was campaigning, he literally cannot talk. He have people in front of him talking for him every day. People always talk on his behalf. So I don't know how he became that honorable thing. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Anyway, saying that people that can do this job should come up and come and take the mantle and do the job. So Sam George, this is for you, okay? Honorable Sam George, this is for you. Or I will come on you one of these days, because now you are going about signing, and you are signing all form of these things across. Whatever you are signing, make sure that you are doing things well in the terms of security with Muntaka Mumbarak. Because Muntaka I'm telling you. So whether he's sleeping or Muntaka is also not there, only God in heaven knows about it. So please, we need you guys to do your job. Honestly. Now let me go quickly and deal with something else. It is important today. Me dealing with all these people one by one. Because see, until we force them to play nonsense, they will never play nonsense. You understand what I'm saying? Until we force these people to play nonsense, they will never play nonsense. So let's force them to play nonsense. We have to force them to play what? Nonsense. It is better we force these people to play nonsense. So we have to force them to play what? Nonsense. Let's force them. It's very important. I've done 1 hour already of my time, and I have a lot to go. Let me go quickly and show you guys this right quick. Let's jump into something that has to do. Yes, there's this lady also that I saw her video. Honestly, she's giving it to government. Woto. Let's listen to her.
The disappointment where they disappoint me, boss. I don't know who you are behind that account, but it's true you are talking. Make I tell you people something. Today I did there. I see say Mr. Standogbe. He dey pulpit talk, they talk say Ghanaians deserve job. It's not, are you people not even ashamed? Basic necessity. Even if jobs there, you people know what they do. People say for lobby. You just make our lives so fucking difficult, motherfuckers.
You hear that? Do you hear that? I'm telling you, people are very piffed.
The pure water 15 Ghana, we no go buy you.
Pure water, common pure water, 15 Ghana cedis. Oh, says pure water, 15 Ghana cedis. Ebusia, tie. We are in hardship. Instead of Mr. Mahama to solve the hardship, he's rather going about opening the borders to bring more people with criminal ideas into Ghana. Pure water.
We go hit the street, we go demonstrate. 15.
My sister, come and join us. Let's do the demonstration together. Come and join us. I know you are around somewhere in the Volta region. You are welcome to Accra. Let's hit the Mr. Mahama getting sick and guys, I think I'm having internet issue. I don't know, something is going on. Guys, I think I'm having internet issue. I see something flipping there out there.
Ghana pure water. We don't need go buy your burgers. What people they tell we? You come, have you increased our salaries? Have you given us jobs? You are coming to increase water. You are not even ashamed of yourselves. I was watching the news. I heard Nanaba Namwa say that she supports President John Mahama on the LGBTQ. It's not a basic need. Now, basic needs of the countries, do you people even know what the basic needs of the countries are? Yeah. I'm not talking about you people that, like, if this person can't power, you go jump going there, jump going there, jump going there, no fire you people they do. That's not what I'm talking about. Stability. Pure water right now, 15 Ghana. If they try to tell we say what? That might not be problem, eh? Are you not even ashamed of yourselves?
So, guys,
for a country where people are still trooping in, even by leg, they are still trooping in.
You hear? By leg.
You've not even been able to sort yourself out. Things as basic as our road in front of our house, gutter, street lights that we still pay for, nothing the sop. Ghanaian youth, if you know, there's no stress, okay? No stress.
Tell them.
Just comment. Directly, I will take my hand, reply you all, make sure say we ask for the right change. Let there be accountability. Yeah. We are ready. Yes. If you know that you are interested, you are not ready to buy pure water, 15 cedis, just let me know in the comment section. Then I'll know if I'm fighting for a good cause or not. But what then they non-fat and they tell me there, I know they understand that. Maybe it's only me.
So, guys, you hear our sister is complaining about say pure water. 15 Ghana cedis. Pure water. And then we have people walking literally into Ghana through the border of Togo. And that is why I keep calling that Togbe Afede and your people. If the government of the day is failing, the chiefs and the people in the Volta region, please don't fail us. See, our last energy and our last resort is the chiefs. Please. I'm going to show you another video very soon. We all know that they said they have canceled, say e-levy or say whatever. Maybe Chere will be. And they can't show you something. You see, these lies that these politicians, when you are dealing, any politician you are dealing with, please have a metal glass and an open eye together. When they tell you run, please stand there. When they tell you stand there, start running. 85 to 95% of all the politicians in Ghana are liars. I'm telling you, don't believe them. See, when they tell you something, go and interrogate it by yourself. Go and check. Go and read about it. Know exactly what the thing is talking about. Because if you refuse to go and read about it and you take their word fala like that, you are doomed. We are doomed. I'm telling you. It's sad. I will show you another video. I have a bunch of videos. Now, pure water. Common pure water. I'm telling you, if you don't know, common pure water, 150. It's very, very important. It's very important that we have to put these things where it belongs. Because Ghana is the only country, I swear to God, we have. We don't have too many Ghanas. Our own land Ghana is one. And that is why we are calling everybody for this demonstration. And I'm calling on everybody to leave anybody. I need all of you to stand with us. It is important that we do so. If we don't do it, at the end of the day, we'll regret one day. Our kids are going to suffer. Our kids, our generation will be the people that will go at war with the people, Mr. Mahama and his administration, and Muntaka Mumbarak are allowing them to enter. Guys, remember, comment and share. Comment and share, please. Comment and share. It's very important. Comment and share. These are the things that I want you to do for me. Like I said, I have a lot of people who are already on the ground working. They are working, putting posters every day, very there for everywhere for the demonstration. I'm telling you, some people are sacrificing, and I love the energy some of the people are doing this job with. For those that think that they can frustrate the demonstration, like our sister is saying, for those that think that they can use their social media handle to frustrate the demonstration, I'm telling you, if I ever see that you are frustrating it, bang, I will bring you here. I will lash you proper. It's either you went for a bribe from somewhere, and that is why you are doing what you are doing. Yes. So pure water is 150. Yes, it's too sad. Eva, it is true. It is sad. Pure water, 150. 15 or say 150. Ukotwa, ni boarding. Common drinking water. Because the galamsey are saying soni na ewo Ghana. The galamsey are saying soni na ewo Ghana. And so when they want to purify the water, they have to buy so many chemicals to do it. Are we even safe? Misema inso toa. Misemo inso toa. Mumbo modia say mubenya nso ni bi because inso na ye num no ni nyina anye. Auntie Grace, thank you so much for your comment. God bless you. Warrior Queen, thank you so much. Warrior Queen say you guys will like the video and comment too. That's what Warrior Queen is saying. It's very important. I know sometimes people don't enjoy watching the live stream because of the length of the video, but I will have a way to come and address that. Okay. Now, there's one video I was planning to share with you guys a while ago. But before that video, let me see. There's one show that I will quick. Okay, let's do a little bit of movement and let's go the other way around, and then we'll come back and come and show you that video. Now let's listen to this guy. Listen to this guy. Now we are here. We want to enter into the message to the fake Igbo leader in Cape. Yesterday there was a huge demonstration again. I posted the video a while ago. Please go and watch that video. They Cape for they don't give up. South Africans, no, they are still demonstrating. I'm telling you, it's not what we are doing and we are doing yeah like that. Let's listen to this guy whilst I plan for what I want to bring to you guys in a few seconds. Okay. I don't know if that video is coming, but I can see it here. So let me see. It's supposed to play. I don't know if that video is playing from your there, but guys, if that video is playing, let me know because I already picked the video up. It's supposed to be playing now, but I can't see down here. Anyway, if it's not, let me just go ahead and pick another one because I don't have that much time to play around with here. So let's deal with this. Let's deal with this right now. Let's deal with this right now. Oh my God, shit. All right, guys. So I don't know something. You know, these people, they have come. Oh, they want to frustrate the program. Hey, team, can you guys see if the video is playing down there because I can't see it on my screen? I don't know if you guys can see that the video is playing at your end. Let me know, okay? I'm trying to make sure the video will come, but I can't see the video playing at my end. It should be able to play. If it's not playing, guys, let me know. Let me just check the screen from my end and see what's going on. But I'm supposed to play a video to you guys. That video is going to tell you guys how these people behave, you know. So I'm trying to see if the video will play again. Again, let me make sure that all these things are off, and so I will be able to play that video. The video is very long. Maybe that is why it's not coming on, but that video should be played because if that video played, it will give you guys some amount of peace and you know exactly what I'm trying to say here. All right, let me pick another one and see if it's going to play out. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't know what's going on. The video is not coming. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But all right, so the last video that I played, there's something going on that is making my videos not to play. There's something going on that is making my videos not to play. And I want to see if everything is moving perfectly down here. Guys, if you can hear me out there, let me know. If you can hear me out there, let me know. I'm trying to play this video. The video is not coming. If it's coming from your end, I need somebody to tell me it's coming. So I'll go ahead and play, even if I can't see it from my end. If the video is playing, let me know, guys. If the video is playing, let me know, guys. It's very important. Let me know if the video is playing so I will know exactly what to do. Tim, can you check down there and tell me what's going on? I need to know exactly what is going on. Check down. I'm trying to be coming through. Somebody check down for me. I want to know exactly what is going on. Check down. See if the video is playing out. Okay. Check down. Team, I want to know what's going on. I'm trying to play this video. That video. See if the video is coming at your end. It's not coming here. I don't exactly know what's going on. Okay. Just check that and let me know. Okay. So guys, there was a video I'm trying to show, and unfortunately, I don't know what happened. But again, there are so many ways of killing a cat. So I will go to the other room and go and find that video, and I'll bring that video to the cat room and come and play. You understand what I'm saying? There are so many ways of killing a cat. So sometimes when the cat is too bigger than the be of a challenge, but you have to find that situation. What is not buy that pure water at that price, and His Excellency and his people have to concentrate on rather delivering, which Ghanaians give them that authority, right? Ghanaians voted for them. That's what we're expecting them to do, not to rather come and be doing all that they are doing for people to complain about common pure water and all that. So we are hoping that that situation will be solved so quick. The prices will be slashed down. You can just buy a pure water at 15 Ghana cedis. It's too expensive. Common pure water, even if you have to sell it, but that price, I don't know. Okay, so guys, I know that it's not coming, but again, we're gonna do what you have to do. We are trying to download the video from other assets. We'll download the video from other assets and play it in the clouds. We'll play the from the cloud. Don't worry. If it's not from the cloud, so I was I try to load that video. But what we are saying here, President and your people, there are so many things you guys have to work on, and the mission of opening the border to be aborted. You don't have to go through that kind of. It's not. We are not ready yet. We are not ready for border opening because we have so many things we have to solve. We have so many insecurity issues. We have our borders being porous. We have not putting measures to ensure we kept how many people are coming into Ghana and how many people are living into Ghana. We don't have that data. So the last time I was talking to one immigration officer, they don't know how many people are passing through the border and how many people are living through the border. They don't have that documentation yet. Except the airport, that they can control how many they know how many people enter today and how many people left the same day. That works, but in the borders we don't have that thing. And so I want to employ the president and his team rather to focus on tightening the border and make sure we have proper measures to allow people to enter by knowing who they are, where they are coming from, their background from their countries. We cannot just open everything, and people are talking about United Africa. When I hear people talking about United Africa, the questions I ask them, it's as if they don't know the problems in Africa. The problems in Africa are too unique to the sense that, to be honest with you, it is something that is big. You understand me? The problems in Africa. So let's go and listen to this video, because I think I can put a huge video here. Let's listen to this, our brother. This is an old video that he actually says something on, and I want you guys to listen to the video. It's very important. Okay? In Ghana, listen.
The population of Nigerians in Ghana is about 4 million.
I think that
and this 4 million, the Igbos are the majority. The Igbos here in Ghana, they've married a lot of Ghanaians, Togolese, Liberians, Burkinabes, and even Ghana, where we live.
So you hear, this man is revealing some secret about the Igbos. Tiemi, I know why I put this one at the tail end of my video. Yeah, thank you so much, Auntie Doris. It's not coming. I've changed the strategy to play it down here. I download it to the cloud so I can play from the cloud. So this man there, we have all seen this man before, right? When they enter into Ghana, they want to marry Ghanaians, Togolese, Cameroonians, whatever. That's their aim. Let's listen.
Where we live. Now, these children are all Igbos. And if we don't let them know the culture and tradition of the Igbos, it means our culture is wiping away. And the installation of this king means to plant the culture and tradition of the Igbo in Ghana and any other country that we found that there are a good number of the Igbos living in that country. By that, the essence of this kingship has come to be.
I've always maintained that imbecility is a clinical evidence of criminality. I've always maintained it, and I stand to be corrected. And I say this in case a greater number of you from this particular post begin to wonder why Nigerians think the way they think, especially the people from the tribe of Igbo. I'm an Igbo man, so I can tell you people better that such level of criminality, hence a clinical evidence through imbecility or a clinical evidence of imbecility, is more with the Igbo tribe. I mean, when you see an Igbo man think, because he's money conscious, you'll understand that he's very deluded. They don't care about rationality. They can do things, they can talk like madmen. They don't reason, all because of the money. So in their bid and their desperate chase for the money, you find out that their mind, you see, that's why they say that it will be hard for a rich man or one that chases money to enter a healthy mental state, which is what we call paradise spiritually. They say it will be easier for a camel to enter the eye of a needle than for a man that chases money to have a healthy state of mind, to be sane enough. And that's exactly what happens to people. Now, what do I mean by this? How could this be your reason, your justification for coming to another man's land and clinging to chieftaincies and king? Ask me, even in the Bible, or where logic and rationality applies, have you ever seen a person leave his own land, go to another man's land, and start claiming kingship? If you've given birth to children with the ladies of the people you had, claimed to, take them back home. This is not the reason for you to come to another man's land and start running all these kingship, Eze, and all these things, royalty. See, no matter how royal you are in your place, when you come to another man's land, leave it at the doorstep. This is another man's house, and you're coming to claim a king in another man's house. And you know the funny thing. The funny thing is that these same people in their own land can't even claim this right. These same people in their own land can't even do this thing they are doing. They come to another man's land and they start showing rights. Anyways, this is not something that should shock a great number of us who already know who the Igbos are. I'm going to tell you people a very little story, a real life story. So, Enugu State and Ebonyi State are neighboring states in the eastern part of Nigeria, highly dominated by the Igbo tribe. In fact, it belongs to the Igbo tribe. Now, what I'm about to tell you will shock you as a Ghanaian and as a South African. Do you know that the governor of Ebonyi State, lives in Enugu State? The governor of Ebonyi State lives in Enugu State. Every single time he travels back to Enugu State, in a siren, on a convoy. As if he is the governor of Enugu State. If it's not because the governor of Enugu State had to tell him, bro, they cannot be, think about it now, this thing is rational. There cannot be two governors in one state. Whereas your state is empty of a governor. You're governing your state from my state. And then whilst coming back to my own state, you're on a convoy and you're blowing siren like the governor. Now this emphasizes exactly what you people are seeing in Ghana. What you people see in Ghana with Nigerians who are Igbos, with the Igbos who are Nigerians. You leave your father's land, come to another man's land, where you should be focused about doing what you're doing. Do your right thing, establish your reputation. Peradventure you married those people's daughters and they gave birth to your children. When chips are down, bring back your children home. Don't come to establish
Bring
chieftaincy
them.
title and
Send
do
them
all
to
this your
Nigeria.
fake, illusional, deluded royalty in another man's land. In another,
Tell them.
like, I have never seen the most deluded sets of people than this set of people. I have never in my whole life. That is why.
So you see, this guy is Ace. He's a Nigerian. He is a Nigerian with a different mindset. He's a young man that believes that you don't have to travel to someone's country to go and behave like a goat or like a sheep or like a lion or a tiger that have moved to a different area that believe that they need to fight and conquer the place and take it out. You understand what I'm saying? So these guys believe that whatever these people are doing are not the best thing to do, but yet his people are doing it. And Ace have been on the neck of all Igbos and Nigerians, to be precise. He's been talking down on them, dealing with them, and most of them don't like him. So I want Ghanaians to know that the people we are seeing, the Egyptians that have entered into Ghana today, that we are already on social media fighting every day with them. They're going to stay, but we have to fight. The other aspect of them saying that they are Ghanaians living in Nigeria and so blah, blah, blah. When they say those things, ask them a simple question. How many Ghanaians are in Nigeria claiming kinship, selling in the market and claiming kinship and going around throwing their weight about? Yes, there was one video I saw today that I need to send to you guys also. Hold on. A Nigerian, an Igbo man for that matter in Ghana, who is a Aboboya or whatever repairer, is working at the center of the street. Yesterday, one of my ghost team members went there to sack him. Today, he's back on the street doing the same thing. And Mr. President and the mayor of Accra, you guys are supposed to watch this and do something about it. You guys don't do anything about it. You see somebody parking, whatever it is, by the side of the road. That is where he's repairing his stuff. And nobody cares about it. We allow them to fly into Ghana and do what they are doing exactly in their country. Their country is lawless country. Yet we are allowing them to come and perpetrate the same lawlessness in Ghana. And then we have our president coming. Mr. President, if you are listening to me, perhaps you are not watching the video some of us are watching. Perhaps you have decided that you are not going to watch anything YouTube, anything TikTok, but if you are watching, you will see that the people you are inviting into Ghana have a certain mindset and a certain character. And they won't change. They will never change. The best thing is to keep them in their own country, solve their mess, be in their own place, and clean their own mess. This African unity people are calling for, I'm sorry, I've told you guys time without number. African unity with Nigeria is a big problem. And any country that allow or accept that kind of unity with these kind of people and their mindsets, you still don't know what you are joking with. You are joking with a fire coming into your home and it will burn everybody. Listen, it's very important.
I've never in my whole life. That is why when I tell you people that 3 out of 4 Nigerians are mad, people think it's profane. It's not profanity. I've shown you people facts and figures. It's playing out. I'm telling you people that's why if you come to Nigeria, you see lots of imbeciles, lots of mentally deformed people, lots of Down syndromes. Some clinical, even in the when they don't even show you, by their looks you will know, because you see lots of deformities. You don't need their actions to know that these people are deformed. You just need to look at them to see their deformity. I'm telling you the truth.
This guy will kill me.
In fact, he
always the imbeciles. He calls his own people imbeciles. He always calls his own people imbeciles. Honestly, he always calls them imbeciles. And honestly, whatever he's saying make a lot of sense. We are not surprised. Not. Why should we be surprised to have people like this? The video I'm trying to play, and I don't know why the video is not coming, but I don't know, man. Oh God. Video no wapan. I wish I would play the video, but I don't know why the video is not coming. I I think I need to go do this right quick. Guys, give me a few seconds. Let me go. I don't know why the video is not playing. Perhaps I have a lot of videos in my stuff I need to clear. And then I'll bounce back and come and see to this. It's important I play that video. The video is nice. The video is long, but I still want to react to it. And so that is why I keep trying to bring that video on board. I don't know why that video is not playing, but it is. If it's not going to play, I will see the best way to go about it. Something happened to my local files, and my local files are not doing their best thing today. And so it giving me a lot of stuff. Let's play the video from Nana Jana. I want you guys to listen to Nana Jana very well. He was saying something. I want you guys to listen to him.
Akuma Nigeria for Ghana for any bintino. What is happening? No, me, I love foreigners.
Nana Jana semna e o kano. Muntie ni ye. Akuma yedi say niyama. Akuma yedi ye niyama boni a Nigeria for wono. Ghana for ye nibi. Tie mi ye. Tie.
What is happening? No, me, I love foreigners. We can coexist with them. But baby, eko say omo abenye omo territory abenye king. You can say king. And you will be or know what so many paramounts under him. So abaya no anye anti to one amount of never begin somewhere very difficult.
Tie Nana Jana, I know say you also have enough. These are the people we want them to talk for us. So if somebody is connected to Nana Jana, please tell him, say, me matieno, those days now, omutumi interview no Kofi TV na sefo nyana, metiene pa. These are the people we need to come and lead and talk about the situations we are in today. Or see, akuma Nigeria for wo, Ghana for nibi. I understand. Enya akuma pa. We are not talking about akuma pa. He's talking in parable. Akuma ekutomu a omudi dibone no ye nibi.
Meme how on say me wo Ghana for mo Nigeria to see ye omo ye menanfofo. Say ade we begin tra ha. Na Ghana for ya say omo show so bibi abufu na ene social media ba bia na ko Nigeria for wo Ghana ye bo omo a Ghana for wo Nigeria omagu. And into memo be a campaign say aban no empam Nigeria for no, don't do that. Oh yes sir. Ghana for wa kwantu mu na wo baba mu problem.
Nana Jana, we are not saying say aban empam obiao. They are undocumented people. We are saying they should leave. Undocumented. Undocumented. That's what we are saying. I think so more di boneno. I say jo mo kwan e mo ko. I think so more remu no. NSC aban enye ne say to me ye to ensure that when they are entering, no, we know the day they enter, and after 3 months we kick them out to go back until they have the necessary document to stay in. We have to increase the total amount people have to pay to be citizens and after to have work permit in Ghana. We have to. I say increase. We can generate enough money from there to do something.
The one person individual no so oye king na e didn't say we up and the government must deport him as soon as possible.
So you see, Nana Jana is saying that he's supporting the other aspect of taking Chuku the Jude out of Ghana. Chuku the Jude should be taken off Ghana. That is what Nana Jana is saying. Chuku the Jude should be taken off Ghana. To be precise, Accra. Chuku the Jude should be taken off Accra. And I'm sending this signal to him. If he try to do anything crazy in Ghana, Sebo, ole Sebo, ni wakaba jile shia Sebo. Bine ba te shia Sebo ye shia. Mo fe mo no nu ogan ole ni atole Sebo. Sebo, ni wakaba jile.
A lot of Ghana for my money now high. Almost in Nigeria for me because the things about how much I need to be as out. Can create a genuine job. Do money free money. Do more carbon to spray scassa and the young guys no. Or money do much as I want in the young and saying. Or because of the water.
Yeah.
When you do free here or do go do the crew Nigeria for one. That's it. You are not coming again.
Yes. You hear that one? Nana Jana, please, we need your help. Come and help.
I say they're making. I know what I'm talking about. Yes. Oh, yeah, young girl in Nigeria, you don't know. Yes, yes. Oh, you're a good person there. Every tribe will be out here or more and no more money. Now, one number worry fine. It's okay. But many a times, me was told a man for the catch them. To do na any nearby summary or in Nigeria, or Munya Oba, or so much Nigeria. Or by no maybe, maybe, or Monty or Munkabium.
The Sine. Yako Yusune the Anyasika, they will come back to Ghana.
Then if Flex says, so what if the government couldn't take action? And Americans say it will be a big mistake if the government does not take action now. Because by the sign now, the more Ghana for Kasa full urban.
Yes.
It will push people on the street.
Yes.
And as soon as demonstration takes place, you know, when say Nigeria need back home, you need to problem. If you can make a Ghana need Nigeria needing cat. They be hey no tell us about Asumua. Obeti me afre ni krom for and obeti ka video say Ghana oboma sum say Ghana fe wo ho na ehuna money. That's why I'm saying that the government should not wait any longer on taking action. Say nipa na de why no we are deporting him. Actually be a better answer so whatever now and calm tensions down.
Good. So this is what Nana Jana is saying. That Chuku the Jews should be sent back home. Because all this brouhaha is all about one single person. This man there, who came into Ghana some years back, started his own business in Nungwa with a wife. Some of us, we know how you came into Ghana, start your business. And when you have that business in Nungwa, you have a little daughter or son. And then we see one yesika. According to what I'm hearing, there's a cartel. There's I mean a filler almighty. The monies this guy is making a royalty guys now waiting to move for all the 16 region or move to the amano. So he's always having money and he doesn't care how those people are making the money. Mami sisubium filler na menya enemy. The money Chuku the Jude is making is not as a result of any business. Guys now waiting to move for all the 16 regions, no? Obia ewo toa I say tight or mutia every month. He doesn't care how you pay that money. You have to pay. And so I say oh no king and I will see ohini ewa baby. So you have to pay royalty on our own land. We have some hey Nana Jana, what you are saying is true. This guy must be deported. If the president refuses to do that, it's going to be like what is happening in South Africa. I won't say that much. Ebusia, we are at 55 people. I need to make 100. I'm begging. Share and like the video. Share and like. Please share. Share it on all your pages. Ebusia, please share. So what Nana Jana is saying makes a lot of sense. I'm telling you, it makes a lot of sense because these people, they are doing everything they want to do in their own power. And they think that we don't know what they are doing. They think that Ghana for no Jimmy. So there was this video I want to show you guys from the beginning. I try everything I can to show you guys about I don't know if I was able to show, but again, let me see if I can go pick it up. This video is coming from that guy Destiny Omo. Okay, that guy Destiny Omo. This video is coming from him, and you guys know what we were talking about right from the beginning, that he was saying a whole lot. He was saying a whole lot about what he called reciprocity or so whatever. Me des how word no kra me bo ana emba. Obiani ni word our boy emba. But video and our other video that I said phones are me person papa no. And after that, I'm going to see if I can open the online share your thoughts with the message. he should retrieve, seek more than seek appropriate, seek more assuming the border thing, because we are not the way our brother Tuntun Network is saying. We are not there yet. We have more security challenges than what we think. So opening that thing for people to come in, we are there, Mr. President, and I know to make Mr. President, and each some power. If you take a hasty decision on this, what Ghana is that take this guy back to with the family, then at the end of the day, what we are not expecting to happen on the street of Accra, it will happen very soon. And I'm using this opportunity. Ghana for more Nigeria. Mr. Lemo, more Nigeria no. I don't know what you guys are doing there. Media debia meka o ye den wo ho. Ade o kromu nipa bebre dwane e de ba Ghana. Na wo so wo ho ye den. Except you are working in an oil and gas sector. That one, you were hired directly from Ghana to go there. And no air different. But if you are doing the normal boja thing, please come back home. I know they came to Tama Oil Refining. They recruit a lot of the good guys from Tama Oil Refining back to Nigeria to go and work there because their own guys are thieves. So they don't trust them. Dangote didn't trust his own guys. So he came to Ghana to come and recruit more guys. So there are a lot of guys out there. They are working on their oil field. Those are not the people we are talking about. These people, we are talking about people that just went there on their own way. Based on their own. These are the people we are talking about. It's very, very important. So the thing here is the video I'm trying to upload. The system is telling me that video is too long for what I want to do. So it is what it is. Now let's play this video. I know you guys want to listen to this. This is, and I blame all the people that are doing business with the guy. Share, guys. We are in 60. Share, guys, please. We are in 60 right now. Share, let's go. I want us to listen to this guy. And like the way their own Nigeria person say, Asa says imbecile. I want us to listen to this imbecile. Okay? Let's listen to him. It's very important. I want us to listen to him. And once you are listening to him, take something out of it. Because you see, the ignorance of them is that they always want to play smart. But at the end of the smartness, they put their plans out there. And we know. And I will bring one other guy also speaker here.
I want to read it. But before I read that, let me quickly say this to our brothers in South Africa. My brother, don't let anyone buy you. Don't let anyone buy you. Don't let anyone buy you. So, like a goat that has been pushed to the wall, you have to defend yourself. That's the truth. Be together. Don't walk alone. 4 years ago, when they attacked you in South Africa, the same thing I said is what I'm saying now. Do not walk alone. Be together. At every point, be together. You can lock your shops. You can lock your businesses for now. Be in one place. They fear unity. They know say anywhere when you get more than 10 Nigerians, they are ready to die. Trust me. So be together. Just be together. Be together in numbers. Be together in numbers. Bro, when you are in numbers, these people, they cannot attack you. Trust me. With that knife and sticks when they carry, those people when be say they don't gym, man ass, they be like woman. Bro, they cannot attack you. Just be together. Be together like this. Be together as men. Because I understand that the Nigerian government is sending aircraft to evacuate you people. So be alive. The only way to be alive is to defend yourself and defend your family. Don't allow anybody take your life. Don't allow anybody take your life. Don't allow anybody take the life of your family members. Yes. As a man, it is your duty not to allow anybody to take your life. And it is also your duty to make sure anybody that take your life do not live. Yes. Yes. So as a man, when you are living, make sure nobody don't take your life. And make sure
You see, Destiny Amon, if you are staying in your country, will somebody come and buy you? If you are staying in your own country, the problem with Nigerians is they don't want to stay in their own country. And I have a problem with them because they are running hell scatter from their own country. And I blame some of the people, some of our Ghanaian brothers who keep edging them and who keep saying all sort of things in the market. Today, I heard something from one of my ghosting members whilst he was going around pasting the posters for the demonstration. He said he met a couple of people and were like, if you are here edging and advocating for these people to go, then you won't get people. You see, a Ghanaian, a mindset of a criminal Ghanaian who is working with these people. It's crazy. There's some of our own people, their mindset is that they have allowed this criminality to actually baptize them to the sense that they can do anything. It is serious. Now, I don't want to go too far with his reciprocity or whatever. Procity or whatever he call it. But the point here is, I want you guys to listen to where he was talking about the tomato people, the onion people. That is the most important thing, not the South Africans, because the South Africans will not stop what they are doing. They are doing it regardless. South Africans, they don't care.
Reciprocity, and they respected it. The first they attack was our movies. I want to start from there. And the onions war between Ghana and Nigeria has been settled. Let me tell you. If you go to my Facebook page, you'll see a video I did this morning. The only thing these people understand is reciprocity. I'll tell you 8 times Nigerian pulled reciprocity and they respected it. The first they attack was our movies. I want to start from there. They attacked our movies and said that any producer that is coming to come and film in Ghana must pay $10,000. I want to speak on the one I saw with my eyes, not the one that I was told. And what did Nigeria do? Nigeria reciprocated and said all the Ghana actors that are coming to Nigeria to come and film must pay $2,500 each before you can be featured in a film. How much be your salary for the film? Automatically they are telling you not to come to Nigeria and film again. So the Ghana actors that were going to Nigeria, they are Jackie Appiah and co. Oh, they started screaming on TV. What is this? What is this? They had to pull back their laws. Then in 2020, you know, these people, they have a style. They don't give up. They try and try again. Then they were in power. They gave another law that if you are coming to film as in Nigeria, you must pay $100 for every foreign crew you are bringing in. What did we do? We ran to Nigeria. Then I became the president of Nollywood Ghana chapter. We ran to Nigeria and seek reciprocity. And what did Nigeria do? Nigeria paid back. Nigeria paid back by locking the gate to their industry because, oh, God bless Nigeria. I was talking to the head of censor board then, and he said, Destiny, I will control them. And I said, Baba, how you want to control them? He said, forget. I will there for my bedroom. I will control them. And how did he control them? If you say, make we not come produce for your country again, not come sell for our country again. No. So they locked the doors. They locked the doors to foreign produced movies.
You see, it's funny. I don't remember that Ghana was doing all that he's saying. But I know this guy is fan of bringing all sort of things out there. the point here is it was these same people inviting the Ghanaians to come and film in Nigeria. And when they were going there, you remember when Lewin went to Nigeria to bring Ramsey, people were complaining that this Liberian Ghanaian guy is there, that he can do the same thing, right? And people were complaining about that. The point here is these guys are fond of doing their own thing. They are fond of doing their own thing. And so whatever he's saying here, it doesn't hold water. It's all because of one person. All this that is going on is because of one person. And if you're a Ghanaian listening to me and you are living in abroad or you are living in Ghana, the future of Ghana belongs to us. And we have to take the mantle and ensure that we do the needful. It's very important. Really, okay. Now, I wouldn't want to play much of this guy's video because I think people are getting angry and people are getting bored with him. You understand what I'm saying? I wouldn't want to play much of this guy's video. But let me just say something to this Destiny Omon guy. If you believe in reciprocity, whatever, you want to do the same thing. Guys, I think my network is, I don't know what's going on. I might have to end very soon. But if you are doing the same, if you think that we made a law will benefit us and you guys are doing the same thing, why can't you guys stay in your country to do your own thing then? How many Ghanaians are living in Nigeria, Destiny? Filming. How many Ghanaians? Maybe Ghanaians will just go there to go and film and come back. They don't even stay there. We don't even want to stay. So I'm using this opportunity to tell our film people out there. There are nice places in Ghana you could have filmed. So why do you want to go there to go and film? How many people travel out there to go and film? These days we are not filming there. Check movie filming in Kwasi. We are not going there to film. It's very important. We have to do that. You know, so I don't want to listen to him more. And the other video that I intend to play is more than 27 minutes. It's a response to this guy, the fake king in South Africa. He came online trying to say all manner of stuff, thinking that that will show people will hear from him and people will listen to him. But the South Africans are still demonstrating. They are still doing it. According to my ghost team, there are pockets of things that are going on even now in South Africa. You know, so those guys are serious about what they are doing. They are not joking. The South Africans, they are not joking. And I want to use that opportunity to say that if you live in Ghana and you are thinking, oh, is this demonstration going to happen or not? We are inviting you to appear on the very day. It's very, very, very important. Appear and come and show your love. Show the love that you have for Mother Ghana. The important thing is don't stay in your house and wait that you're going to see it on YouTube or somebody is going to stream live for you to watch. Don't be a coward. Don't sit at the back of the fence. Show up in your numbers. I promise you guys that if I have a good network, I will streamline the entire live stream from the beginning to the end. If I have a good network. Talking about the network situation, let me just go ahead and ask MTN. A lot of people are complaining that they don't have good network. MTN, listen to me carefully, MTN. You guys are from South Africa. So do your things well, please. I don't want to descend on you guys, but I feel like it is important that we do that. You won't buy data and waiting to struggle. No. So it is important that we do that. Okay. Now, on this, this is from Willie. Willie is a strong NDC guy.
I was saying, I said, my about this Igbo King. People are tagging me, Willie. Is it right? Is it right? Is it right? And you're right. And you're right. Now, Mesre and Krahini, need Kuchu, Gamanche, Mesro. Adena Ekosuno. There is no smoke without fire. sɛ ɛnkran mpanimfoɔ anaa ɛnkran ahemfo sɛ moantɔn asase amfa ma Nigeria ni no ɛyɛ dɛn ɛna ɔbɛsi Igbo Kingdom ɛwɔ Ghana Accra ɛyɛ dɛn ɛna ɔbɛsi Igbo Kingdom ɛyɛ nkranfoɔ hini ɛnkran ahemfo mo ɛna matɔn asase ɛde ama papa yi ɛna ɔsɛ ɔba bɛsi ni kingdom ɔfrɛ ne ho Igbo hini Igbo Kingdom Igbo King with immediate effect, with all due respect, and kranfo ahemfo mesremo mo a moto asase ma papa we munko na momfa musika nkoma no momfa ne sika nkoma no asase no mo anya tombium anya by force, because this is going to go in the history. Mr. Willie. It's going to go in the books of our history that this is what Ghana chiefs, this is what you did. You sold your land to a Nigerian man who calls himself an Igbo king who was to establish his own kingdom. Game yetiashi gamanche noni ya no ko lehekue ofa ne mo femu na chweno na ho ne ke shipone ana ishika na kishika hale shiponye ho don ene ebeyingbe no kra nye kafiti agan won panify gamanche me fe ni leheko shipone na ho ne nye bo ashika na nye kishika ya nye ka ha me nye ya shipon nye nhwe ganya shichon.
Very good. So this is from one of our brothers. He's a strong NDC guy, Willie, or whatever they call him. And he's sending a strong message for that matter to the people that sell the land to the fake acclaim and battle Igbo King Chukwudi Jude. Now, I understand that that land is still going on. Development is going on there. Like I told you 3 months ago, my ghost team was able to gather some information. And I'm telling you guys, very soon we'll bring an update on this platform to all of you. I have a ghost team member. I'm trying to send that ghost team member all the way to Nigeria. There are a couple of Ghanaians who are stranded. And I need help to do that. I need your help. He sent me the budget. I'm looking at it in the face. If you want to join to send a brother to Nigeria, where you see the physical videos of some Ghanaians that are getting perished. They are getting perished. Please. I don't know how I can do this alone, but I'm thinking on top of my head. I know one person that said she's going to help, and I'm believing God that I'll get people to send out my ghost team all the way to Nigeria. And trust me, we'll bring a lot of things out here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant. It is very, very important. We humbly want to do this, and we are doing our best to make sure that we're going to bring to you guys exactly what we promised. Sometimes we are not able to do it because the resources to go around is very, very tough. Honestly, it's very tough. But I have the budget with me. I'm trying to put like 5 or 6 people together. If you want to help, please, you are welcome to. Yes, you can DM me. For those that know my number, you can DM me. This is the studio number 0592324421 is for the studio. 0592324421 is only on WhatsApp. 05923244 4421. So if you want to call into the show to share your mind and your thoughts, you are welcome to share. I've done 2 hours approximately, and I've sent my strong message to John Mahama, also to the fake Igbo King out there in Cape London, whatever they call it. If you don't stop that, the South Africans are gonna be on top of you. Okay. How much does it cost for one? So what he told me was, for him, he's gonna travel alone to Nigeria, and he's gonna go to 3 states. He's gonna visit 3 states, and on the 3 states he want to visit, he said his like transportation, food, and where he's gonna sleep is something like 6,000 Ghana cedis. That's the price he gave to me. And so he's now going down there. It's now going out there. Go and look out for the total number of Ghanaians who are living there stranded. Put those people together. And after he put those people together, we'll see how many people we are trying to airlift or whatever it is. Not airlift. We are seeing of bringing them back home, you know. So there and get all those things worked out. We know we have 10 people, we have 15 people. How much is it going to cost us to bring those people back home? Then we're going to know the transportation to bring all those people back home, or we can charter one vehicle and bring all of them back home. Because so I want him to go film those people and talk to them, because also sometimes also but struggle and so and yeah, easy and yeah, easy. He really went through a lot. So guys, the phone lines are open. 0592324421, 0592324421, 0592324421. The phone lines are open, guys. You can call in. All right, so please, you can call in. I'm watching, so I can't call. Okay, I heard you. So, yeah, it is what it is. Auntie Doris, you've been planning to call, oh, you never call. You've been planning to call, you never call. I understand. Thank you so much for being a loyal follower. You are always on my videos. God bless you for that. We are doing our best to make sure we put Ghana on the map whilst we push. And let me also tell you guys that the plan for the demonstration is on. Of work is on the ground already. If you check on social media, you can see that some posters are already flying, and our guys are doing very, very well. Hopefully we'll be able to complete that, and then we'll hit the street. Invite more people to come in. It is very, very, very important. We have to do that. So I'm waiting if you want to call through. Somebody also says that I'm at work, I cannot call. I understand perfectly about that. Otherwise, I have some messages that were sent to me by some people, and I would love to play them. Those ones are people that have a concern with respect to Nyama Kosovo, Ghana, and they send their voice note. They want Ghanaians to hear their voice note as well. So if there's nobody coming through, I'm gonna play some of those ones. Okay, I'm gonna play one or two of those ones. It is very, very important to get those ones also on board. So let me see if this is one of them. Let me see. I'm trying to play one of them. All right, guys. So I want you guys to listen to this. Listen to this. This is from one of our sisters, and listen to it carefully.
Ghanaian youth, arise. Ghanaian youth, we're calling you guys to arise from all the villages, from all the cities, from all the regionals. We're calling you guys, everybody, whether you are young or old, we are calling unto you to arise. Ghanaian youth, arise. It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time. Yes, it is time. Because Ghana belongs to Ghanaians and not any foreigner. Ghana belongs to Ghanaians. Ghana is not for Chukudi. Ghana is not for Igbos. Ghana is not for Yorubas. Ghana belongs to Ghana. Ghanaians. It belongs to we, the Ghanaian youth. So arise. Ghana youth, arise. Ghana youth, arise. And let us do it to show Mahama. To show Mahama. Let us do it to show Mahama and his government that they came to destroy Ghana. And we're not going to let them. We are not going to let them. We're not going to let them. Arise. Arise. Nigerians are daring us online every day. They are daring us. They said the most useless country in the whole world is Ghana. Because they see that we are not going to let them put us down. They see us. We are strong people. They know us. We banter with them online. They know. And until they run, they know. They know. So now we are the most useless country in the whole world. But we are saying to them and we're daring them. We are daring them that we are coming. We are coming. Nigeria must go. No matter what. We are saying Nigeria must go and Nigeria must go. This is what we are saying. Nigerians are not homeless. Their land, they have the bigger land than us. Our country is just a tiny country. Nigeria is the biggest country in Africa. Nigeria is the biggest. Land, they have a lot of lands. Igbo have a lot of lands. Yorubas have a lot of lands. They cannot come to Ghana and fight and be fighting every day. They cannot come and be daring us every day. We are sending the warning to them through Mahama. Mahama, you know what? I think you can pack and go because you have already accepted the activity already. You have already accepted it. We are telling you to pack and go. Mahama, go. Go with your family. Your family, the barbaric family that you have joined, the wayward family that you have joined, the criminal family that you have joined. Mahama, pack and leave and join them. Because the country, it belongs to us. We are the future leaders. We are the future leaders. This is it. We are the future leaders. We are calling for Ghana to exit ECOWAS. We are calling for Ghana to exit ECOWAS. We are calling Ghana to exit ECOWAS. You guys didn't tell us when you were signing it. You guys didn't negotiate with us. Ghanaian youth didn't know anything about it. You guys just went and signed for ECOWAS. We are not benefiting anything from ECOWAS. The only people benefiting from ECOWAS is the Nigerians. It's Nigerians with their criminality. It's Nigerians with their barbaric behaviors. It's Nigerians with their waywardness. It's Nigerians. And we are saying now that is enough is enough. Enough is enough. Enough. There is not going to be any visa free for no African countries. There is not going to be any visa free. There is not going to be any borderless. This is what we are saying. We Ghanaian youth, this is what we are saying. Ghanaian youth, arise. Arise.
All right, guys.
We are sending this warning to Wedemaya. Wedemaya, listen to this. Wedemaya, listen to this. If they give you the diplomatic passport, doesn't mean that you are one of the ministers. If they give you the diplomatic passport, Wedemaya, that doesn't mean that you are one of the ministers. I'm talking about all this bullshit, visa free, all this borderless free to Samuel Abrakwa. And he's reporting that bullshit to Mahama. You are the one. And Sarkodie is over there too. Delusional as hell. Delusional. Sarkodie is a delusional guy as hell. You guys have to be careful. You guys have to be careful. Mahama have sold Ghana and we are not going to let him. There will be no visa free. There will be no visa free. There will be no borderless. If Nigerians remain the same like this, Africa cannot unite. Africa can never unite if Nigeria remain the same like this.
Yes.
Because they are barbaric, they are backward, they are insane. Nigerians are insane. Nigeria have brought the sin to the whole world. It's Nigeria that brought the sin to the world. This is what we are saying. If you join them, you can go. Because we don't need you in Ghana. Mahama, we don't need you. We don't need your leadership. We don't need your nothing, because your brain is not working. Mahama, your brain is not working. This is what the Ghanaian youth are telling you. Your brain is not working. Your brain is not working. You took us for granted. Mahama, you took Ghanaian youth for granted. And it is time. We are you that enough is enough. You did not create any job for us. You did not create anything. There is no farms. Our nurses, you cannot pay them. There is no jobs. But you want to do visa free for them. You want to do borderless for them to come and be daring us every day. Nigerians are daring us every day. Nigerians are daring us every day. And we are saying, Igbo must go. Chukudi and his family must go. We are saying, Yorubas must go with their kingdom. Chukudi must go with his regional chiefs' heads. They must all go. Chukudi building must be collapsed. We will destroy it. We will destroy his building that he's building over there. His school, we will destroy it. This is what we are saying to you, Mahama. Listen and listen very well, carefully. You think you are playing game on us? We will show you. Ghanaian youth are so wise. We are wise now. We are wise. We're not going to sit down for your bullshit anymore, Mahama. We are not going to sit down for your bullshit anymore, Mahama. We are calling again to our ancestors. We call upon our ancestors. The land our ancestors poured their blood on. We are calling upon them to go after you, Mahama. We call upon our ancestors to go after you. They will go after you day and night until you repent. Our ancestors will go. The land of Ghana will go after you. If you drink water, they will go after you. If you walk on the land, they will go after you. Wherever you go in your bedroom, they will go after you. In your sleep, they will go after you. Day and night, they will go after you. Our ancestors will go after you. And now we destroy the orchestrations, the predictions, the calculations, the predictions, the networkings of Nigerians, where they took our leaders to. We destroy it in the name of our ancestors. In the name of our ancestors and our Almighty God, we stand and we declare war on them. We declare war on Nigerians. We declare war on Igbos. We declare war on Yoruba. War on anybody that is destroying our land. We declare war. Any foreigner in Ghana that is putting us through pain, we declare war on them.
All right. So, guys, this is from one of our least sisters out there. People are getting impatient and people are losing it. And our president, if you are a listening government and you say you listen to what people living in a diaspora are saying, this is the time to listen to what the people are saying. Guys, the phone number to call in is out there. This is the phone number. You can call. I'm just going to take one or two calls because time is already up. For those that couldn't show up, sometimes when it's on the live feed, you might not be able to see it. I'm going to repackage that for you. It's very important. Those that join me halfway, you might not be able to get the entire thing. I'm going to make sure I give you guys the opportunity to watch the hot part of the video. It is very, very important. The first 1 hour was very, very hot. And honestly, you guys can go back and watch it, or I can readdress that one for you guys to watch. If there's nobody coming in, I intend to end somewhere in 2:30, but if nobody's coming in, I'm gonna end up soon. It's very, very important that I take a rest, honestly. I've been sitting here since I start this live feed, and honestly, I need to stretch my back a little bit. So I will quickly go out there and go play the Ghana national anthem. It is very important that we do so. God bless all of you for being part of this show. To reach me out is 505-923-24421. 0592324421. God bless all of you. I'll see you again tomorrow, and we're gonna make sure that we come in with something very hot. And you guys know that on Saturday, your main day of the live streaming, and so everybody is invited on Saturday. It's very, very, very important. I invite all of you to come in here on Saturday to come and support the live feed. It's important. Saturdays so I'm gonna make sure I do that. So let's go listen to the Ghana national anthem in a few seconds. It's very important.
Success story.
So very soon the Ghana national anthem will play out, and so it is very important that I make sure I get you guys. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being part of this show today. God bless all of you. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. If again you are interested in seeing the video that I said I want to show, you can ask me on my number and I'm gonna send the video to you so you can see it. I believe strongly, like the way our sister Doris is a canon, it might be part of rituals. Whatever was going on should be something that has to do with rituals. And you know, these guys, they can do anything for money. Thank you guys so nyankopon shamunina. I'll see you again. That's Sene. Ebusia. Yebeshia. Bye for now.